So now that we have our health float printing the screen and translating properly, let's start influencing the health by triggering this cube. So what we'll do is we'll pick up this cube, or we'll have a trigger event which will destroy the cube and then add to our health. And so we'll kind of act like this cube is sort of a health pickup or a potion, something that will increase our health or our armor or something like that. So in order to do this, I'll go back to my good cube, and currently I already have the basic mechanism, the basic state machine in place, where we have state 1 is just waiting for a trigger event, and once it collides or triggers, has been triggered by the player, it fires off this custom send event, which is wired over to state 2. And in state 2, we'll just do a real simple, we'll do a little math function. So I'll go into the math category, and what we want to do is just do a float add. We could also do a float operator down here, which is a little bit more complex, but a float add I think will do just the trick for us. So we'll take the float variable that we want to add to, we'll take player health, and we'll add, let's say, 10. And we don't want to do that every frame, we don't want to do it per second, we just want to do it in one instance when we run into that cube. We want it to fire off state 2, and have it add 10 to our health. So let's just see if that works. So we'll cross. There we go. And so I run to the cube, and it sent my health up to 90. So let's make one quick modification to this, and that is that on state 2 of the pickup cube, what I'll do is I'll just do a quick game object, and inside game object we'll just do a destroy self. And what that will do is that once we add to our player health, we'll destroy the cube. So that cube should disappear. So we have a real simple system set up to where we can run into our cube, that's the health, and then it disappears. So we're in pretty good shape. That's pretty good. We could do a real simple variation on this and do a bad cube,